हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, सोशियोलॉजी के इस क्लास में अब हम लोग नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में एंटर करेंगे। चैप्टर थर्ड ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है और सभी स्टूडेंट नोट्स बनाने के बाद में जो भी उसमें एक्सरसाइज में क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं, आप उनको क्वेश्चंस को बुक की हेल्प से और कुछ अपने कॉमन सेंस और जो भी आपने स्टडी किया है अभी तक उसकी हेल्प से आप उनके आंसर्स को लिखने की कोशिश करिए। आंसर्स कंप्लीट करने के बाद आप उन आंसर्स को मेरे व्हाट्सअप नंबर पर सेंड कर दीजिएगा, तो मैं उनको एक बार देख लूँगा। और तो ये थर्ड चैप्टर ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है। थोड़ा बहुत जो भी अगर राइटिंग वर्क उसमें बाकी है तो उसको आप कंप्लीट कर लें और फिर मुझे उस चैप्टर के नोट्स सेंड कर दीजिएगा। इसके बाद में चैप्टर फोर्थ जो कि अभी रिसेंटली रिमूव कर दिया गया है, वो आपके एग्ज़ाम में नहीं आएगा। और उसका नेक्स्ट चैप्टर फिफ्थ, पैटर्न्स ऑफ सोशल इनइक्वालिटी एंड एक्सक्लूजन। ये फिफ्थ चैप्टर सोशियोलॉजी का चैप्टर फिफ्थ, पैटर्न्स ऑफ सोशल इनइक्वालिटी एंड एक्सक्लूजन, ये आपके कोर्स में है और ये एग्ज़ाम्स में आएगा। तो इस चैप्टर की शुरुआत करने के लिए सबसे पहले तो आपको मैं बता दूं कि क्लास 11th में the most of the chapters and topics which you have read in class 11th and also these three chapters of class 12th which you have already completed. So the matters and all the concepts and sociological knowledge which you have learned from these chapters and also from the last class 11, this will provide the base and also you can say the previous knowledge for this coming chapter 5th, patterns of social inequality and exclusion. In this chapter especially all the matters of discrimination, exclusion and worse conditions of the society, either these may be the conflict, means the personal conflict between families, persons or the societies, and also the big conflict like the civil wars and also the big issues of the war, terrorism and so many international level conflict between the societies and between the groups, either these may be based on the religion or at any other case. So especially the matters of the discrimination, inequalities and oppression and also you can say the matters of the depressed classes, backward classes and due to the economic, social and political injustice, the war and struggle and conflict that is taken sometimes the worst form, these will be discussed in this coming chapter. So basically the Indian society that is divided into the some categories or the some groups, especially the casteism, that is the main feature of the Indian society. And in India you know that a large number of the castes have been taken its modern forms which are coming from the ancient time period, and this may be from the Vedic age, and these castes were also taken the new forms and divided into the subcaste during the time period of medieval India, especially the origin of the Rajputas. So these caste division and these social exclusion and inequality that has taken a big form and worst condition in the Indian society, this will be discussed in this chapter, this coming chapter. So you must have to and you must be prepared for this chapter, especially the topics which will be included in this chapter: the casteism, caste system of India, the religious diversity of India, as well as the linguistic diversity, because many linguistic communities and the different states where the people of the different languages are living. This will be also sometimes be the cause of the conflict and war and the tensions. So these matters will be included as part of the social inequality, and also sometimes these societies and groups of people are excluded from the mainstream of the society. So you will also learn that how the some groups and some people are excluded from the mainstream of the society, and they just go back at the bottom of the society, bottom of the country's population, and when they are oppressed too much, then there will be no chance for their growth and their development. Then they can also take the path of war or struggle, and sometimes this leads the some movements like the Naxalism, Bodo terrorism, and so many other forms of these terror communities and terror groups or movements. So be ready, and especially revise the topics of the casteism, and be knowledgeable with the caste system of India, as well as the religious diversity of India, and the linguistic diversity of India. And we will discuss in the next topic and next video on this chapter, that is named as patterns of the social inequality and exclusion. So thank you, be prepared.